Okay, hello everyone. So welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to do some revision exercises actually. So what I'd like you to do is spend about 3 minutes. Okay, so spend about 3 minutes. Do the exit ticket over here if you have not done it yet. Okay, please try it now. Okay, pause the video if you need to. Okay, then after that we will look at some of these exercises below. Okay, I hope you have completed the exercises on top. So now we'll look at the exercise below. So the questions here are like such. Write the following numbers as fractions without using any indices. So if you recall in the last lesson that we learned, we said that 5 to the power of negative 2 can be written as 1 over 5 to the power of 2. We also say that, for example, 4 to the power of negative 3 can be written as 1 over 4 to the power of 3. Okay, so if you remember this, you will find these questions not too difficult. So I'm just going to go through maybe just a few of here, the rest I'll ask you to do it by yourself. So I'll go through C, 10 to the power of negative 3, very simple, 1 over 10 to the power of 3. Okay, I think with this you should know the pattern for the others. Go ahead, try it, show your teachers when you're done. Now look at question number 2, complete the following expression and fill in the missing numbers. So to do this, we need to have a bit of a number sense. So the number 49 over here, can you recall 49 is actually 7 times 7 how many times? So I recall 7 times 7 is actually 49. So this means 7 squared is 49. So I can rewrite 49 as 7 to the power of 2. So if I want to rewrite 1 over 7 to the power of 2, okay, in this form over here, then this will become 7 to the power of negative 2. Okay, 7 to the power of negative 2. Not 7 to the power of 2, 7 to the power of negative 2. Now likewise, for part B, if I want to recall 100, okay, 100 is actually equals to 10 times 10. So this means 10 squared is 100. So 10 squared is 100. So 1 over 100 can be written as 1 over 10 squared. And this can then be written as negative 2. Okay. C and D, okay, you can try them here in class. I will go on to E. Now E, how do we read this? This is read as 10 millions. Now how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If there are 7 zeros, this means that this thing can be written as 10 to the power of 7. So if I have 1 over 10 to the power of 7, this will be 10 to the power of negative 7. Okay? Now, 1024. Okay, 1024, I will just give you a hint. This is 2 to the power of 10. Can you help to fill in the answer here by yourself? Okay, your teacher will walk around to check your answers as you're doing this. Okay, so if you don't understand, just raise your hand and get some help. Now if you're done with this, turn over to the next page. The next page requires you to find the exact value of each of this following. Okay, so you will see a page like this. Okay, find the exact value of each of the following. Now if you recall in the last lesson, we say anything to the power of 0 would give you a value of 1. So this is easy. I don't even need to use a calculator. Okay. Next, 8 to the power negative 1 is actually 1 over 8 to the power of 1. Now if it's 8 to the power 1, we usually don't write 8 to the power 1 and just leave it as 8. So this is your answer. Now 5 to the power of negative 3 can be written as 1 over 5 to the power of 3. So what I can do from here is this. I will key this into a calculator and I'll get the answer as a fraction. So here I would like to emphasize to you, leave your answer as a fraction, not as a decimals. The decimals can be very messy. So leave your answer as a fraction and this will be answer. Now for the next few questions over here, D, E, F, G, Just use a calculator, see what is the value, and just remember, leave your answer as a fraction. Okay, your teacher will come by to check your work for this. Okay. Now for the next part, I would like to go on to more examples. Textbook page 15, exercise 1b. But please do not proceed until you have finished your D, E, F, and G. Okay, if you need time, just pause the video, okay, and continue to watch in a short while. Now for the next part, I would like to go on to just some questions over here. Question 4a, just for you to recap, a to the power negative 4, when I rewrite it in the positive index form, okay, what would be the answer? A to the power of what? Okay, fill in the answer here, a to the power of what? Now for part B, negative 3b to the power negative 5, okay, I would like you to write down how do you express this in the positive index form. If you forget, I will give you a hint. Write it as this first, and 1 over b to the power of 5. Now next, in the last lesson I told you, this negative 3 will only multiply by the 1, just by the numerator. So negative 3 times 1 will give me negative 3, and this will be your answer for 4b. Okay? So that will be the end of this part, I believe. Okay, so we'll stop the video here.